The name of our company, ES Brand, came from the first letters of my name and my wife's names, Eldar and Samara. The Kyrgyz have a wonderful concept, bata, which means that every time a name is pronounced, the person receives a blessing. Today we have 25 seamstresses, but our workshop has enough space to create workplaces for another 4 to 5 people. Initially, we only had one room measuring 4 by 4 meters with 2 or 3 sewing machines. My wife already had tailoring experience when we started our business. At first, she worked at home. I was working in another sector but provided material and moral support. Today, this business is a family business. My wife is the garment technologist responsible for creating models, manufacturing, and 70% of the work with the team falls on her.
We like this job. We love to sew. That's why we started this business. First, we traded in the market. Then I sewed at home while watching my child, and women began to come to me, asking for a job. And so, little by little, we expanded. I am very comfortable with my all dressmakers. We spend a lot of time together and have become like a family. There are difficult periods at work, but we support each other. While operating the workshop, we both outsourced seamstresses and worked with home workers, and now we have a foundation of professionals.
The experience of these dressmakers reaches 25 years of work. They can perform the function of garment technologist as well. About 70 to 90% of all orders come from Russia. They send photos of the model, and we mail the order. We offer the complete cycle: fabric for purchase, model processing, pattern preparation, sewing, and packaging. We have many different clothing models: jackets, coats, dresses, and blouses. Every day we can sew up to 600 women's blouses and dresses, and depending on the complexity of the model, we can make 150 outerwear jackets.
We mainly sew blouses and dresses. There are fewer orders for winter clothing and coats. When an order for a dress comes in, they send us a photo of it, and our garment technologist in Bishkek designs a pattern. Based on the pattern, we then prepare a dress sample. We also make sports clothes, hoodies, coats, and more. We produce the item only once an order comes in. There are about 70 items in the collection right now. Every season, some hits come back in fashion and in demand again.
This was the first time we participated in an acceleration program with the possibility of receiving funding. We applied for the program not to win, but to gain knowledge and experience and to develop our company. We liked the program. Regardless of the result, we would have been satisfied. We gained knowledge, understood which direction to grow, how to conduct business processes, and most importantly, how to innovate. The acceleration program helped us brand our workshop and improve our accounting issues. We prepared for the demo day right here in the workshop. We tried very hard. Our employees also supported and motivated us, so we are very grateful to them. We were very happy with the victory. Very strong teams and entrepreneurs participated with us. We didn't hope to win. We just wanted to test what we were capable of. It turned out we too are capable of something, and we will implement everything we learned. Thanks to the investment, we can increase the number of jobs by about 15 to 20 new staff. We will be able to hire new seamstresses. We also have an idea to open a sewing training center in the future. Our goal is to turn Narin into an industrial city. We want to grow into a big factory with more than 500 employees and eventually enter European markets.